Hi guys, in the last video we talked about the arteries. In this video we will start to explain the capillaries. Firstly, let's talk about the function of capillaries. The main function of capillaries is exchange of different substances and this exchange occurs between the blood and cells. The blood and cells. So, Mr. Please give us examples about this exchanging of substances. Okay, so exchanging like diffusion of gases, CO2 and oxygen, especially during the inhalation and exhalation process inside the two lungs, the exchange between the air sacs alveoli and the blood capillaries. Another example about the exchanging, about heat exchange. About heat exchange as it lost and gained heat. And you can note this point through the blood capillaries which exist inside the nasal cavity and nose to keep or warm the air before entering to the trachea. Okay, so it's example about heat exchange. Another functions of capillaries. These capillaries allow the flow of white blood cells or white corpuscles to tissue and allow reabsorption of useful substances back to blood. Generally, we can say that blood capillaries supply all cells with supply all cells with their requirements and take away the waste product. Waste product. So let's talk about the capillaries structure. First point about their walls. Capillaries have very thin walls. Capillaries have a narrow lumen, no valves, and no thick muscles and elastic fibers. So why the walls of blood capillaries have very thin walls, but you must know that there is only one cell thick. So capillaries have only one cell thick. So they have very thin walls to allow substances to pass through it easily and fast. So not human, but you must know that it wide enough. It wide enough to allow red blood cells or red blood corpuscles to pass through it. To pass through it. Not a human, so it makes the blood flow slowly. For this slowly movement, slowly for exchange of materials. So neurolumen, which makes the blood flow slowly to make the exchange of materials more easily. Okay, so it's about the structure of capillaries. In the next video, inshallah, we will explain the veins.